this is Artist Annette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. Do you know what day it is? It's National Daiquiri Day. Yes, it's the 200th day of the year. It's 165 days left in this year. Do you know what day it is? It's the 19th of July. Listen, this is how you make the best daiquiris real quick, and you can always be prepared no matter who comes over. So when you buy your dailies, don't spend more than $3. You really need to be getting them for $2. I get them already frozen at my local liquor store for $1.99. Walmart has them 2 for $5. Sometimes they have them $2. Listen, stock up on them because this ain't nothing but ice. This is nothing but 5% alcohol. This is for children. This is for the kids. So you need to add your beverage of choice to it. A daiquiri is supposed to have rum, but listen, this got wine in it. The little 5% that's liquor in here is liquor from the wine. So, this is my favorite tequila right now. It's a black-owned brand. I really like them. Tolaro, that's a good one. This is my good old standby. I always keep plenty of this on deck. Depending on how I feel, I might go with the tequila or the vodka, but I keep plenty of Svedka vodka on hand, just in case I have some friends stop by. Tastes great, inexpensive, and no hangovers the next morning. Now listen, let me tell you what I like to do real quick. I like to take this flavor, the strawberry daiquiri, and mix it with the tiger blood or the fireworks. It give it a little, it jazzes it up. Honey, I freeze these and keep them frozen. Like I said, I use these for my ice. I mix them. I usually do half and half. Just enough for all my girlfriends. And then today I'm gonna do vodka. I add me about a shot. That's about a shot. Now I like to put fresh strawberries on top. I left my strawberries at Church House. We've been out picnicking. Did you know that Cuban miners are said to have invented the daiquiri in the Spanish-American War? It was like 1898. They all used to go to this bar. They all worked in a mine, and the mine was called Daiquiri. And all of the daiquiri mine workers went and had this drink, and supposedly one day they added rum, mixed it, and they started calling it the daiquiri. 1900s, daiquiris came to the USA, and they were brought by a admiral to the Army Navy Club. They have their own little club, and he brought the daiquiri over to the United States. And in 1960, John Kennedy enjoyed a daiquiri on his sailboat. And from then on, honey, it was history. The daiquiri was famous. Happy National Daiquiri Day.